What's up, everyone? It's TechWares. Today is November 23rd, 2025. Hope everyone's having a good day. Valve confirms Steam machines will not be subsidized. So there's no subsidies for the Steam machine. Pricing is going to match PC builds. So for all of you Valve loyalists, Steam fanboys, this is bad news for you. Because you guys were coping, you're on Reddit coping, you're in the YouTube comments coping, you're trying to spin this, or you guys were trying to spin the whole 8 gigs of VRAM and the terrible specs. You guys were trying to spin it into a positive narrative. No. This is a Zen 4 and RDNA 3 based compact gaming piece. By the way, this is from Video Cards. That was announced by Valve, has been in the headlines ever since the system was announced. The specs, which were more common to see 3 years ago, will be used by a compact PC, which would hopefully cost less than expected. Valve has now confirmed that the new Steam machine will not be sold at a loss. As you guys know, the Steam Deck is sold at a loss. I think I've read maybe $100 less. So they sell it at $100 less, and they make up the money through the Steam store, which is pretty smart. It's called the loss leader strategy. In an interview with SkillUp, Valve engineer Pierre Loub said the device is more in line with what you might expect from the current PC market, and that the company is not planning to eat a big loss to grow market share. That statement follows an earlier comment from Valve engineer Yazan, who described pricing as really competitive compared to building a similar PC at home, implying it will track PC component costs rather than console RRPs. Recently, Linus Tech Tips shared that they floated a potential $500 price point in front of Valve staff. The reaction reportedly suggested this figure was not realistic. So even Linus Tech Tips has pretty much hinted at, when he talked about the $500 price point, the mood in the room and the look on the Valve staff's faces was like, I don't think so, buddy. So all of this combined with the reports of the DRAM price increases from Samsung, the market now expects the Steam machine to land somewhere in the $800 to $900 range, without the cushion of platform subsidies that Sony and Microsoft use for PlayStation and Xbox hardware. So there it is, guys, and here's the full quote. Alright. This is pretty bad. This is horrible. For all of you copers. Yeah. The Steam machine is not really targeted towards like any serious PC gamer, serious PC builder. It's just, I don't know, man. It's not good. It's not a good look. But guess what? People are still gonna buy it because the main target for Valve with this hardware is their loyalists, is their fangirls and fanboys. That's who they're really targeting. Console players a lot of console players already have PCs. They use a PC, whether it's a desktop or laptop, they have one. And the ones that don't have a PC just don't really want a PC. So it's not like they're going to be looking towards the Steam machine. This thing's going to be launching on Steam. Alright. But yeah. That's really it, guys. Steam machine is not going to be cheaper than what people thought, and everybody's saying, oh yeah, the specs are bad, but it just, the price is what matters. Well, we have to see for the official pricing, but this is what we have now. Take care, everyone. Peace.